In this video, I show you how to fix Samsung keyboard not showing problem. For solving this problem, go to settings, scroll down, then go to apps, then tap on three dot, tap on show system apps, tap on OK. Now search for Samsung keyboard. Tap on Samsung keyboard, scroll down, tap on storage, tap on clear data, tap on delete. Now tap on full stop. Now open Galaxy Store, tap on menu, tap on updates, update Samsung keyboard if available any update version. Now I hope that this method fix Samsung keyboard not showing problem.